I have this Fresnel lens for many years now, and I decided to build a frame that will hold it in place while I play in the sun, making some tests to see how hot this can get. I use my router with a keyhole bit to make this groove for the screw, and I will use it to tilt the lens in both directions. First material I tested obviously is wood. It's the easiest thing to burn with a magnifier glass. But look, the minute I reach the spot, a flame come out, and this is the real speed of the movie. And I can try to write my name, and it's like a laser. It's very, very fast and very, very hot. This is a €1 coin. It got really hot, but it didn't melt or anything. This is a lot of tin. gonna try the live egg now. The heat is very concentrated and really focused on one spot, so as the sun moves, it creates a straight line of burn egg. This is some sticks of glue from the glue gun. For the time the power will be down and you need to glue something. The white sticks doesn't catch the fire, but as soon as I put some black on it, it will melt immediately. We can't find the use for lens in a case of a blackout, maybe not for cooking. Thank you for watching.